My name is Meaghan Mechler. I'm a contract lecturer here at TMU, primarily teaching with environment and geography. So today we're working on a renaturalization project. So we're taking kind of a low ecological value part of the Nelson Mandela Gardens, and in like a subsequent planting, we're continuing to renaturalize it and turn it to a place of a lot of ecological value. For my one course, 501, when we're learning about ecological processes, we come out and instead of just learning like the math of like diversity indexes, we do the hands-on of like collecting that data. And when we collected it here in the fall, it was really low, which inspired some students to think, how can we get together, apply for some money, get plants, and continue to boost that diversity for the sake of other species? They designed a woodland revitalization project, got the grant, and have been able to purchase really beautiful, well-established plants that we know are so good at supporting our native animals and insects, and then also give a lot of joy to people.
We were trying to kind of combat some of the challenges of being in such a high traffic urban area. There's a lot of people who are walking their dogs nearby, and this is a beautiful space. It's one of the few spaces that people have. But it also means that it can be a little hard for plants to thrive here. So we have this raspberry perimeter here. The point is that raspberries are kind of prickly and they also spread quite fast. That way we can have a kind of low-lying barrier of a kind that will stop people from coming in, but in exchange for not trampling the garden, they are at least getting a tasty treat. They're also native, so it's a really great way to feed people, to feed the birds, and by doing so, not only are we making an example, we're also able to collect seeds and starters to propagate to other woodland gardens in the area.
Students can get involved in sustainability at TMU by joining our Sustainability Ambassador program or by applying to gain professional experience through Career Boost Sustainability internships with the Sustainability Office. Through these initiatives, we want to empower students to be leaders in sustainability, not just participants.